In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to share your YouTube channel link to Instagram. And this is really easy. So we are going to start right away. So what we want to do is we want to have our YouTube open up, of course. And we want to click on our account at the top right corner. Then go to your channel right there. And click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on share. And then copy the link just like this. It says copied. Now we want to go to our Instagram, click on edit profile, and at the website tab right here, we basically want to paste our YouTube link, and then click on done. And now our YouTube channel link has been linked to Instagram, and if we click on it, boom, this will take you to your YouTube channel. So that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.